What up everyone, I am Rich Mays Lopez and welcome to another world famous Sole Collector unboxing. This time around we are unboxing a special sneaker upcoming release on behalf of the good people at Puma. So shout out to Puma for giving us this early look on what they have on deck. This unboxing we are going into a completely different direction, and we're not looking at a basketball sneaker, we are actually looking at a new iteration of Puma's running heritage, and that is the Puma RS-0. So let me get under the abundance of tissue paper here. This sneaker is inspired by the RS line of sneakers. It has a lot of the overall look and feel of that RS line, and it is perfectly on trend for today's sneakerhead. So off top, it has that classic late 80s, early 90s chunky look to it, which is obviously super hot right now. A lot of like little details that link back to the RS computer shoe, which was revolutionary at its time in that it featured a computer chip back here that you hooked up to a Commodore 64. Shout out to any OGs that actually remember and know what a Commodore 64 is. And it would give you running stats. Back then, Puma was the first to offer that type of added value to their consumer. From a material standpoint, we have mesh at the toe box, a nice textured synthetic leather going up the medial and lateral sides. Then we have this sock-like ankle collar. The Puma stripe is also embroidered, which gives it a nice look. And it has the running system outsole and a little translucent hit right here. So again, this is the Puma RS-0. This is the initial launch colorway, dropping in a white, black, gray, and teal or turquoise. The early release date is 4/14. That will be select retailers only, and the global release date is 4/19, and the retail price of $130. Till next time, you all, I'm Rich Mays Lopez. Peace.